what we feel is we feel our whole body tightening up, right? Uh-oh, here we go. It's just like when you're on the set and the camera, we suddenly go, okay, Victoria, now this is your close-up, and the camera's here and the lights are there. It's really hard to relax. But that's why they give you those big trailers and those dressing rooms, so that you can be in your zone, getting ready to do your thing, while everybody else is building and doing makeup and hair, and then you walk out here, and you stay in your zone, and you do your thing. Even on the set, you know, people will, is it okay if I touch you?
Oh, yeah.
People will be fussing with your hair and fussing with your costume, and people pulling, you know, measuring the distance to the camera. All this stuff is going on and hammering. But then, those of you who have been on a set know this, there's a moment when somebody says, hold the work, step away, please. And suddenly, it gets totally quiet, and everybody moves away, and it's just you. And you'll hear the director go, and action. And your job is just to close your eyes like you did when we went to the ocean. I had Miss Berger when I was at New Dorp. And you're on, okay? So resist that need to clam. Okay, close your eyes. So I think what we'll do is we'll start down here with Coulter. He'll start the beginning of the speech, and then we'll go to Adriana and Nellie and Victoria. And you just pick up the speech wherever you are. If you need to look down for a moment, take a quick look down, and then look back, and let's talk to Kimberly. So Kimberly, can I move you a little closer to the camera?
Sure.
Actually, I'll have you stand. How about that? Right by the map box here. Right off camera.